This is the Rogue Pull-Up Assist Band, and Rogue claims it can help you unlock your first pull-up or crank out more reps than you ever thought possible. Sounds great, right? But after using these bands consistently in real workouts, I realized something most people don't talk about. These bands can level up your training, but only if you use the right one, the right way. So let's break it all down and see if they're actually worth your hard-earned cash. Rogue Pull-Up Assist Bands Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? These are the Rogue Pull-Up Assist Bands, made by Rogue Fitness, one of the most respected names in strength and CrossFit equipment. These bands have been around for years and are a staple in gyms across the US, from hardcore CrossFit boxes to home garages. They're designed for anyone working on pull-ups, muscle-ups, dips, or even mobility work. The big selling point here is scalable assistance. Rogue offers multiple resistance levels, from lighter bands for advanced athletes to heavy-duty bands that can take a huge chunk of body weight off the movement. The idea is simple: help you train the full range of motion without cheating the movement. Rogue Pull-Up Assist Bands Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually perform in real life? I tested these over multiple workouts, using them for strict pull-ups, kipping pull-ups, ring rows, and even accessory work like banded lat pull-downs. Here's the thing: the assistance feels smooth and predictable. There's no weird jerking or sudden slack like you get with cheaper bands. When you're at the bottom of a pull-up, where you're weakest, the band gives you the most help. As you get stronger toward the top, the assistance naturally tapers off. That's exactly what you want if you're trying to build real strength, instead of just bouncing your way through reps. What surprised me most was consistency. Even after weeks of stretching, snapping, and loading these bands, they still feel the same. No fraying, no soft spots, no "this feels sketchy" moments. Whether you're a beginner chasing your first pull-up or someone trying to hit higher volume without burning out, the performance here is rock solid. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes these bands special. First up, progressive resistance levels. Rogue offers a wide range of thicknesses, and that matters because using too much assistance can stall progress. Having the ability to size down over time means you're always challenging yourself without jumping off a cliff. Second, continuous loop design. This might sound boring, but it's huge. The seamless loop means no weak points, no handles to break, and no uneven stretch. That translates to better durability and safer training, especially when you're hanging your full body weight from it. Third, multi-use versatility. These aren't just pull-up bands. You can use them for mobility work, squats, bench press assistance, rehab exercises, and even travel workouts. One band can replace a whole drawer of accessories. And finally, latex quality. Rogue uses layered natural rubber, which gives these bands excellent elasticity and snapback. That's why they don't feel dead after heavy use and why they're trusted in commercial gyms. Design and build. Aesthetically, they're pretty minimal, and that's a good thing. They come in solid colors that correspond to resistance levels, which makes grabbing the right band mid-workout super easy. No guesswork, no labels wearing off. The rubber feels thick, dense, and confidence-inspiring. When you loop it over a pull-up bar, it sits flat and doesn't twist awkwardly. Under tension, it stretches evenly instead of thinning out in one spot. These feel like professional-grade equipment, not something you'll replace in 6 months. They're not flashy, but they're built to work and built to last. Pros: excellent durability and consistent resistance. Smooth, natural assistance through the full range. Extremely versatile for strength and mobility work. Cons: easy to rely on too much assistance if you're not disciplined. No included storage or carry solution. Final verdict. So, who are the Rogue Pull-Up Assist Bands actually for, and are they worth it? Look, if you're a beginner working toward your first pull-up, these are an absolute no-brainer. They let you train proper form, build confidence, and progress safely. If you're an intermediate athlete trying to increase volume without wrecking your elbows, they're just as valuable. But if you're someone who already cranks out strict pull-ups with ease and you're not doing high volume or accessory work, you might not need these, at least not right now. Yes, they cost more than off-brand bands, but you're paying for consistency, durability, and peace of mind. These feel like a long-term investment, not a disposable accessory. Bottom line, if pull-ups are part of your training, these bands make getting better feel achievable, and that's worth a lot.